Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on this product here, which is the Tatcha Kissu lip mask, and this is in Japanese peach lip jelly. So Tatcha is one of those brands that sort of came out and I was very curious about it and really wanting to try their products. Some products just market so well and I want to try them. Like, I become really excited and curious about them. So I have been lucky enough to try a few so far. And I have done a few reviews on my channel, so definitely check those out if you haven't. So this being a lip mask, this is probably the first lip mask I've ever done. So super excited to try new things. I love that. Also, for reference, this is sold at Mecca in Australia and is $45. So straight up packaging, I love. Super simple, tells you exactly what it is, which I always appreciate. This is what the product looks like. So it's a light pinky peach color. The smell is like almost just like a moisturizer. Like, there's no like peach smell, which I assumed it would be. It's just like a really clean, subtle smell. This stuff is super sticky, like really sticky. You only need a tiny bit. And it goes a really long way, but yeah, definitely so sticky. Do I like this? I think it's okay. I don't really think it's that hydrating, to be honest. I also don't have like really super like dry lips. So for me, does it moisturize them? Does it hydrate them? Yes. For the time it's on, it does sort of absorb into my lips quite quickly, I found. But yeah, for me, this is probably something I wouldn't repurchase. I just feel like I would reach for a lip gloss. I just feel like I wasn't that wowed by it. Like, it wasn't a big change in my lips. So for this, I would just use a lip gloss, not this. But if you've tried this, let me know your thoughts and if it has made a big difference for you. So Tatcha have some good products, but for me, this was a bit of a miss. I haven't tried other lip masks though to compare to it, so I might just have like really high expectations for a product that like doesn't do that. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.